everyone, good morning. How are you? Hope you all are very fine. Okay, so dear students, you have seen 3 lectures of chapter number 8, parts of a plant, है ना? And those 3 lectures we discussed about the root system and shoot system and types of roots and what is shoot system and what is root system. All these things we discussed in our previous lectures, right? But once again I am going to take this small recap. See, plants is the necessary part of our life. We human beings cannot imagine our life without plants, right? Means this is the most important thing which we got from nature's side, है ना? And we cannot avoid these things. We have plants are very precious to us. We have to keep them very nicely. We have to what I can say, बहुत प्यार से और संभाल कर रखना है. ये धरोहर है हमारी, right? So in this lecture we will discuss about the function of stem, but before that we will discuss whatever we learnt in those 3 previous lectures. So we discussed about root. What is root? Yes, root is the part of the plant that grows under the soil. Is called what? Is called root. And this is the definition of roots. Roots is the part of the plant that grow under the soil is called root. Right? Second, root you cannot see it above the ground. What is second thing about the roots? The second thing is that root you cannot see above the ground, right? So when we are discussing about roots, how we can forget to discuss about the kinds of roots, types of roots, right? So before starts discussing about the kinds of roots, we cannot forget to discuss about the root system, है ना? So whatever parts of the plants we can see that belongs to the shoot system, है ना? Whatever parts of the plants like stem, like branch, है ना? Like leaves, right? Like bird, right? Like flower, right? Like fruit, है ना? So all these things belongs to shoot system, belongs to shoot system, right? And roots, this is, yes, this is root system, right? So root, so there are 2 types of roots, है ना? Roots types. So fibrous roots and second tap roots. Okay, so yes, when we will discuss about the roots, so there are 2 types of roots. First one is fibrous roots, right? And second one is tap roots, right? So fibrous roots means these kinds of roots, है ना? Fibrous roots means the net of the roots, the bunch of the roots, the bulk of the roots. It is called fibrous roots, right? Tap roots. These types of roots, tap roots, है ना? Tap roots में one main roots are there, है ना? When we will discuss about the tap roots, so tap roots thick make roots below the stem which goes deep into the soil, that is called tap roots. Thick make roots below the stem, it is a stem, है ना? It is a stem, and this one thick make root below the stem which goes down into the soil, that is called tap roots. ठीक है, that is called tap roots. And fibrous roots, bunch of roots, bulk of roots, right? So examples of fibrous roots are onion, wheat, and maize, right? And tap roots. Examples of tap roots: mango, neem, people. Mango, neem and people. These are the examples of tap roots, right? And functions of roots. So what are the main functions of the roots? Roots hold the plants firmly into the soil. These roots, whether it is a fibrous root or whether it is a tap roots, both the roots can hold the plants very firmly into the soil, very tightly, है ना? And the second, they absorb water and minerals and nutrients, है ना? when we are putting the water into the plant ना बेटा, then these roots, है ना? Suppose आपने घर पे आपके गार्डन में प्लांट को वाटर दिया, पानी दिया, ठीक है? सो आप पानी कहाँ देते हो? जड़ के आसपास, जहाँ पर रूट्स होती हैं, है ना? रूट्स, we can call roots in Hindi जड़, right? So when you are putting the water into the plant in your garden, then where you will give the water? Yes, you will give the water in the root of a plant, right? So whatever water you give to the plant, these roots absorb that water. वो सारा पानी सोख लेती हैं, है ना? कई बार ऐसा होता है ना कि आपने बहुत सारे दिनों के बाद अगर किसी बड़े ट्री में या प्लांट में पानी डाला है तो वो पूरा पानी पीते चला जाता है, तो आप क्या बोलते हो? बाप रे मम्मी, कितना पानी पी रहा है ये प्लांट, कितने दिन से पानी नहीं दिए, सूखा हो रहा है ना? So whatever water we all are putting into the plant, it absorbed by the roots. Entire water is absorbed by the roots, है ना? And whatever minerals and nutrients are in the soil, they will absorb. Who? Roots, right? And they will pass into the entire plant. और जितना भी पानी है, जितने भी मिनरल्स एंड न्यूट्रिएंट्स है, वो सारे ये रूट्स ले लेती हैं, एब्जॉर्ब कर लेती हैं और प्लांट्स के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में पास करती हैं, भेजती हैं, right? That's why when we are not putting in water into the plants, plants cannot grow nicely. So it is necessary to us to give water regularly to the plant, right? Okay, now we discussed about the shoot system. So in shoot system, first function is stem, है ना? When we will discuss about the shoot system, so first we discuss about what? We discussed about the stem. So in my previous lecture I told you there are two types of stems. First one is very thick, big and strong stem. These types of stems we can see in the big trees, है ना? Thick, big and strong stems we can see in the big trees like neem, mango, peepal, banyan and all, right? And when and some small plants carry the very soft stem, which we can break it easily, which we can pluck it easily, right? So and see, every plant has a stem. Every plant, I spoke, every plant has a stem. But what about the big trees like neem, mango, banyan, apple? What about them? They don't have the branches. Then what do they have? They have the trunk. Then those trunks carry the branches on the trees. Those trunks carries the branches of the tree. Trunk, this word you have heard first time or so many times you hear. Yes. Trunk. Who have trunk? Which animal have trunk? Animal has trunk. Sorry, elephant has trunk, na? Yes. Soond. Yes. As like that. Trunk. Big trees also have the trunks. Then those trunks carried the branches and branches carried the leaves, flowers and fruits. Okay, so today we will discuss about the functions of stem. Functions means काम. What is the functions of stem? Stem के कौन से functions होते हैं? What he is doing, है ना? So today we will discuss about functions of stem. Function of stem. Function of stem. My pen is not working nicely. Lots of ink coming out from the pen. Sorry for this inconvenience. Yes, now functions of stem, right? So on page number 49, this on page number 49 I will show you in front of the camera so you can understand easily. Functions of stem. Functions of stem on page number 49. Okay, so first I will read this, then I will explain this. It gives support to the plant. It gives support to the plants. To Okay. So functions of stem. So what is the main function of stem? What is the main function of a stem? Yes. This stem gives the support to the plant and help it to stand erect. E-R-E-C-T, erect. What is written in the book? It gives support to the plant and help it to stand straight. This stem, है ना? This stem always gives the support to the entire plant. This stem always gives the support to the entire plant, and this stem help to the plant to stand straight and erect. Stand straight, and this word erect, E-R-E-C-T, erect. Erect means straight, सीधा खड़ा रहने में, है ना? So this stem gives the support to the entire plant to stand straight. To stand straight. Right? This is the first main job that is done by the stem for entire plant. Okay? Now let's see what is next. It bears birds, leaves, fruits and flowers. Yes. This is stem. Stems carry the branches, these branches. And branches carries what? Branches carries the leaves, the bird, kali, flower, fruit, all the things is carried by the branches. And who is the take the complete weight on the shoulder? This is stem. Stem can hold entire the plant. Stem is the only part of the plant which hold the weight of the plant on his shoulder. Right? So it bears मतलब वो उठाकर रखता है, ठीक है? It bears leaves, branches, bird, flowers and fruits. All the parts bears by the stem. Right? Number 3, it carries water and minerals. So this stem always play very important part in the grow of entire plant, beta. Whatever water we all are putting into the roots of a plant, it goes into the roots, then it goes into the stem, and then this stem will pass the entire water, the entire minerals, the entire nutrients to the plant only, and each and every part of the plant. है ना? So this stem is the supplier. Actually, this stem is the supplier of the water. This stem is the supplier of the nutrients. This stem is the supplier of the minerals. Whatever is required for a plant to grow well. Right? Let's see what is number 4. Some stem also store food. Yes, some stems store the food. Food like potato and sugarcane. These two examples of the stem which store the food. Which store the food, and ginger also. Ginger also the part of the plant in the form of stem, and we all are eating this food in the form of food. We all are eating this part of the plant in the form of food. Right? So what is the function of the stem? Understand? Or I have to take one more recap. One more recap? Okay, no problem, no issue. Stem is the backbone of the plant actually. Actually, the stem is the backbone of the plant. Right? So, what is the main work of the plant? Plant should be straight. So who will help to make the plant straight? Which part of the plant help to make the plant straight? So this is stem. Name of that plant is stem. This stem is help to the entire plant to straight and erect. Right? Second thing, this stem bears the entire plant on his shoulder. This stem bears यानी उठाता है, वजन सहता है, उठाता है, bears the entire plants, all parts of the plants on his shoulder. Right? Parts like branches, leaves, bud, flower and fruit. All the parts bears only this by the stem. Okay? Now next, it carries waters and minerals and pass into all parts of the plant. So this is stem. When we will put the water into the roots, this water goes into the stem and this stem pass the water. See, suppose I am giving the water in the roots, है ना? So this water goes into the stem and this stem will pass the water into the entire parts of the plant. Entire parts. किसी भी पार्ट्स को वो छोड़ती नहीं है, सब में एक जैसा खाने का सामान बेचती है. ओके, एंड some stems carried the food. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि जो कुछ स्टेम्स होती हैं बेटा, वो वहीं के वहीं खाना भी बना लेती हैं, है ना? So in this category, the examples of that food items which carried by the stem, the names of that food items are potato, sugarcane and ginger. These all things we all are using in our daily life, in our day-to-day life, है ना? इतना समझ में आया आपको? Hope you can understand well. Now we will discuss about the leaves. Now we discuss about the leaves. Leaves. So these leaves, today I brought some leaves for you. Today I brought some leaves for you. See these leaves. These leaves. है ना? These leaves. Different shapes are there of the leaves. But one thing is very common in the entire leaf, that is the color of the leaves. है ना? Leaves always is in green color. Green, light green, dark green. है ना? So leaves always is in these colors. Okay, so whatever is written in your book, I will read for you, then I will explain to you. I am on page number 5050 beta. We will discuss about the leaves. These wala part. I am showing you in front of the camera. These wala part. Right? So, okay. So, about the leaves. The leaf is called the food factory of a plant. What is written over here in your book? The leaf is called the food factory of the plant. This leaf, actually, this leaf this leaf this is the food factory of a plant. What is the mean by this line, food factory? Leaf is a food factory. Leaf is a food factory of a plant. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि लीफ जो है दैट इज फूड फैक्ट्री, जो सारा का सारा खाना है, वॉट एवर फूड इज मेड बाय द लीफ, वॉट एवर फूड इज रिक्वायर्ड. सी डियर स्टूडेंट्स, let me explain nicely. Okay, see, who give us energy? What give us energy? What things gives us energy? We human being get energy from which source? So answer is very easy and simple. We all human beings get energy to work and play from food, है ना? There are two types of sources of food. First one is animal, second one is plant. And we all human beings are getting food from plant as well as animals also. Without food, we human beings cannot do any work. Without food, we cannot get energy. Without food, we cannot survive for a long time. So, we all need food to grow up well, to get energy for work, for play, for study, for anything. Even if we are, see, अगर हम इन सब बातों को छोड़ भी दें, तो जो बुजुर्ग लोग हैं, जो बूढ़े लोग हैं, they are also have the foods. They are not doing any work, they are not going for playing, they are not studying, they are not going to office for job, they are not going shop for work, they are not doing any kind of business, but still they need some food. So we human being needs food to get work, to get energy. If we want to live, if we want to stay alive, we need food and water. As like us, plants also need the food. Plants also need the food. So this leaf, actually leaves, pattiyan, these are the food factory for a plant. Keep this line is in your mind, don't forget. These leaves are the food makers for plant, right? And it is attached to the stem with stalk. So this wala part beta, this wala part I will draw once again. Okay, this wala part, it is called stalk. It is called stalk. This wala part beta. This is, see, I have leaf is in my hand, है ना? So जिस चीज को मैंने अपने हाथों से पकड़ा है, ये वाला पोर्शन, this portion of the leaf, this portion of the leaf, डंठल जिसको आप हिंदी में बोलते हो, you are calling डंठल is in Hindi, that part we can call stalk in English. This wala part is called stalk, right? अब look at here, this wala main, this वाली बीच की लाइन है ना, this central line is called what? Midrib. What is the name of this part? It is midrib. Midrib. What is the name of this part? Midrib. M-I-D-R-I-B. Midrib. This वाला part बेटा है ना, दिस वाला पार्ट, दिस सेंटर वाली ये जो व्हाइट लाइन आपको नजर आ रही है, दिस सेंटर पार्ट ऑफ द लीफ इज कॉल्ड मिडरिफ, राइट? एंड द ब्रॉड एंड फ्लैट पार्ट ऑफ द लीफ इज कॉल्ड लीफ. द ब्रॉड sorry, the blade. The broad and flat part is called, flat part of the leaf is called leaf blade or lamina. ठीक है. So this वाला part बेटा, this वाला part है ना, this वाला part, see this वाला part, ये वाला हिस्सा जो होता है ना, ये this वाला part, this वाला part. What is the name of this part? Blade. What is the name of this part? Leaf blade. What is the name of this part? Leaf blade. This वाला part बेटा, ये वाला जो part है ये leaf blade कहलाता है. What? Leaf blade. Right? Okay. Under the leaf blade we can see small process called stomata. So what is stomata? What is stomata? What is written over here? Under the leaf blade, under the leaf blade we can see small process. These वाला बेटा, these parts है ना, ये जो लीफ ब्लेड है ना बेटा, ब्लेड मीन्स ये वाला एज, इसके अंदर ये जो वाइट से स्मॉल सी आपको डिजाइन सी दिखाई देती है, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? इसको स्टोमेटा बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? स्टोमेटा. लाइक दिस. इसके अंदर वाइट सी डिजाइन्स होती है. क्या होता है स्टोमेटा? ये ग्रीन जो स्मॉल सी आपको दिखाई दे रही है, ग्रीन वाइट, ये स्टोमेटा होती है. राइट? Every leaf have these kinds of things. So what is the name of this part? Stomata. What is the name of this part? What is the name of this part? Stomata. Right? And plants breathe through the stomata. Up, we human beings are breathing through our nose. We all are using nostrils. We have two nostrils is in our nose, left nostril, right nostril. We are inhaling the oxygen and exhaling the carbon dioxide through our these two nostrils. We human beings are breathing through our nose and the part of the nose are nostrils. ये जो दो गोले होते हैं ना, जिसको हिंदी में हम नथुने बोलते हैं, इंग्लिश में इसको नेस्टल्स बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? नेस्टल्स, है ना. एंड वी ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आर ब्रीदिंग ऑक्सीजन थ्रू द नेस्टल्स, इनहेलिंग, अंदर खींचना, इनहेलिंग एंड एक्सहेलिंग. एक्सहेलिंग मीन बाहर छोड़ना. इनहेल ऑक्सीजन, एक्सहेल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. इनहेल ऑक्सीजन थ्रू द नेस्टल्स, एक्सहेल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड थ्रू द नेस्टल्स. Always breathe from your nose, never ever breathe from your mouth. मुंह से कभी सांस नहीं लेते हैं, सारे जर्म्स और बैक्टीरियाज मुंह के अंदर जाते हैं. Always breathe through your nostrils, through your nose. Always. Then आपके नोज के अंदर जो स्मॉल से हेयर्स होते हैं, जो छोटे बाल होते हैं, जब आप नोज से स्मेल करते हो, नोज से ऑक्सीजन इनहेल करते हो, तो वो सारे वो जो एयर होती है वो प्यूरिफाई हो जाती है, साफ हो जाती है. जैसे पानी वाटर प्यूरिफायर में वाटर प्यूरिफाई होता है, गंदगी ऊपर रह जाती है और साफ पानी नीचे आता है. ऐसे ही जब हम नोज से, नेस्टल से इनहेल करते हैं, तो जो हमारे नोज में स्मॉल हेयर्स होते हैं, उनसे सारी एयर प्यूरिफाई हो जाती है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज ऑलवेज सेड दैट ऑलवेज ब्रीथ थ्रू योर नोज, नॉट with your mouth. Right? So this is stomata beta. This is stomata. This wala stomata, है ना. This stomata makes the what? This stomata हेल्प टू द प्लांट्स टू ब्रीथ। ये जो स्टोमेटा है ना बेटा, ये जो आपको बारीक बारीक सी व्हाइट व्हाइट लाइंस दिखाई दे रही है, इसका नाम स्टोमेटा होता है। और ये स्टोमेटा के थ्रू ही जो प्लांट होते हैं वो ब्रीथ करते हैं, सांस लेते हैं। ठीक है, सो थ्रू दिस स्टोमेटा प्लांट्स कैन ब्रीथ, plants can breathe. We human beings are breathing through our nose, through our nostrils. As like we human beings, plants also are the breathing. They are using the stomata to breathe. इतना समझ में आ रहा है? Okay. Then the leaf blade is covered with the thin tubes called veins. We human beings also have veins. Veins means नस। ये जो आपको बॉडी में हरी हरी सी लाइंस दिखाई देती है ना, इनको वेंस बोलते हैं, नस। इन हिंदी वी कैन कॉल इट नस एंड इन इंग्लिश नेम इज वेंस। ठीक है, सो दिस वेंस हेल्प द लीव्स टू ट्रांसपोर्टिंग द वाटर एंड द फूड। दिस वाली वेंस, ये जो आपको व्हाइट व्हाइट वेंस दिखाई दे रही है ना, white veins, जो कि when we will draw the picture of the leaves, we all are drawing like this ना, ऐसी lines जो हम बनाते हैं ना हर leaf में। when we will make any leaf, when we will make any picture of the leaf, we make lines, है ना। see, you can see in this leaf, यहाँ पर आपको ये lines दिखाई दे रही है, so many lines are there, that is the veins of the leaf। As like human being, we human being also have the veins is in our body। हमारी भी बॉडी में पूरी नसें होती हैं। As like us, plants also have the veins, and through this veins they are having the water and the food। और इन veins के थ्रू ही वो सारा खाना और पानी लेते हैं। Through this veins they are having their food and water through these veins। Right, so leaves also have chlorophyll। Leaf also have chlorophyll। So there is one kind of chlorophyll is always made by the leaves। The name of that liquid is chlorophyll, which give them the green color। ये जो chlorophyll नाम का जो ग्रीन सब्सटेंस होता है ना लीव्स में, है ना, क्लोरोफिल नाम का एक ग्रीन सब्सटेंस होता है बेटा लीफ में। वो क्या करता है, वो लीफ को पूरा का पूरा ग्रीन बनाए रखने में हेल्प करता है, मदद करता है। उस क्लोरोफिल एक ग्रीन सब्सटेंस होता है, उसकी वजह से ही, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट एवरी लीफ हैज green color। whatever plant is there, plant have always green leaves na, because of that chlorophyll। ये देखो, I have so many leaves is in my hand, so many leaves, every leaves is different। this leaves is different but the color of leaf is green। this leaf is different but the color of this leaf is green। this leaf is different but the color of this leaf is green। these leaves are different but the color of these leaves are green। right, so there is one substance is in the leaf, then the name of that substance is chlorophyll। और because of that chlorophyll, leaf always is in green color, always। राइट, सो आपको इतना समझ में आया, जो भी आज आपने पढ़ा इतना आपको समझ में आया? ओके, at the end of the lecture I will take once again recap, and when I will take my next lecture I will revise the things again। functions of leaves, now we will discuss about the functions of leaf। this one I am going to rub function of stem, so here we will discuss about the functions of leaf. Function of leaf. Functions of leaf. Okay, so we will discuss about the functions of leaf. The leaves help the plant to breathe through the stomata. What is the main function of the leaf? Leaf always help to the plant. As like human being, nose, this part, nose of our body help us to take the breath. Yes, like this nose, this leaf help to the plant. Nose help to our body. Nose help to our body to take breath. As like nose, this leaf help to the plant to take breathe. Right? Leaves help the plant to breathe through the stomata. We all are breathing our nose, but which part is working? This is our nose, and which part of the nose is working when we are breathing? These वाला part, nasal, ये जो दो छेद होते हैं नाक के, ये work करते हैं. As like human beings, leaf help the plant to breathe. जो लीफ होती है, जो पत्ती होती है, वो भी प्लांट की हेल्प करती है सांस लेने में, लेकिन थ्रू द स्टोमेटा. जैसे हम ये नेस्टल से ब्रीथ करते हैं, वैसे ही वो स्टोमेटा से ब्रीथ करते हैं. सो लीफ हेल्प द प्लांट टू ब्रीथ थ्रू स्टोमेटा. राइट, लीव्स हेल्प द प्लांट्स थ्रू द stomata. Keep these small and good things is in your mind, that leaves help the plant to breathe through stomata. Right? Number 2, these prepare food for plant with the help of air, water, sunlight, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. So what helps to make the food? जो लीव्स होती है ना बेटा, इन लीव्स से ही प्लांट का खाना बनता है. योर मम्मा इज प्रिपेयरिंग फूड फॉर यू एंड वी ऑल आर गेटिंग फूड फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. हमें भी खाना प्लांट से मिलता है, इंसानों को भी. ठीक है, बट इन पौधों को, इन प्लांट्स को खाना कहाँ से मिलता है, कैसे खाना देता है, कौन इनके खाने के सोर्स हैं? तो ये जो लीफ होती है ना बेटा, ये पूरे प्लांट के लिए खाना बनाती है. These leaves prepare the food for the plant. अब इनकी हेल्प कौन कौन करते हैं? लीव्स की हेल्प कौन कौन करते हैं खाना बनाने में, फूड बनाने में? तो इनकी हेल्प करते हैं एयर, हवा, वाटर, पानी, सनलाइट, सूरज की रोशनी एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. And one important thing, what is that? What is that? That is chlorophyll. That is chlorophyll. So, what is the main function of the leaves? The main functions of the leaves are, leaves always help to breathe the plant through the stomata. These leaves, these all leaves, ये सारी की सारी leaves, they all are helping to the plant to breathe. And which part of the plant help to breathe? This is stomata. This is stomata. Stomata जो जालीदार जो चीजें होती हैं, है ना? Leaves always help to help the plant to breathe through the stomata. Through the stomata. One thing. Second thing, these prepare food to the plant with the help of air, water, sunlight, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. And chlorophyll. And chlorophyll. Right? So all these things, हवा, पानी, सूरज की रोशनी और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, जो भी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, this is the name of the gas which we are exhaling while breathing process. सांस लेने की जो प्रोसेस होती है, उस प्रोसेस के दौरान we all are inhaling the oxygen and exhaling the carbon dioxide. And the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the main part, main green substance. It is always in the leaf, and because of chlorophyll, the leaves color is the green. So this is the things which a plant is, which the leaves always use to make the food. All these things are using by the leaves to make the food. All these things, right? And some of the leaves are eaten as food. It is written in your book. कुछ लीव्स को हम फूड के रूप में भी खाते हैं, लाइक कैबेज, स्पेनिश, मस्टर्ड, कोरिएंडर एक्सेट्रा. कैबेज पत्ता गोभी, स्पेनिश पालक, मस्टर्ड सरसों, कोरिएंडर हरा धनिया. These are the examples of leaves which we all are eating in the form of food. Right? Understand? बेटा यहाँ तक का सारा आपको समझ में आया? Whatever we learned today, I am hoping that you understanding or not. See, today we at the last of the lecture today we discussed about the function of stem. Functions of the stem. So what are the functions of the stem? Stem always bear the entire plant on his shoulder, like branches, leaves, bud, flower and fruit. It always, all the parts of the plants always bear by the stem, right? And it carries water and minerals. और क्या काम है दूसरे स्टेम का? Stem always carry the water and minerals from the soil, from the roots, है ना? And it pass it on entire parts of the plant. And some stems also store food. बहुत सारी stems हैं, वो वहीं की वहीं खाना बना लेती है, like potato, sugar cane and ginger. These are the examples of stem. Then we discussed about the leaves. So leaves is the very important part of the plant, and the color of the leaves always is in green color. Sometimes it can be yellow also. The leaves is called what? The leaves is called the food factory. The leaves is called the food factory for the plant. प्लांट के लिए जितना भी खाना उसके बड़े होने के लिए, बढ़ने के लिए जरूरी होता है, वो सारा का सारा खाना लीव्स ही बनाती हैं। ओके, देयर आर सो मेनी पार्ट्स ऑफ द लीव्स इनसाइड द लीव्स। एक पत्ती के अंदर बहुत सारे पार्ट्स होते हैं और सबके अलग अलग नाम हैं। सो व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस पार्ट? दिस इज स्टल्क। What is the name of this part? This is stalk, right? And what is the name of this part? This वाला बीच की ये जो लाइन है, that is midrib. That is midrib. ठीक है? And the edge वाला, किनारे वाला भाग क्या है? This is leaf blade. What is the name of this part? This is leaf blade. And ये जो lines होती है, जब हम लीफ की पिक्चर ड्रॉ करते समय जो लाइंस ड्रॉ करते हैं, ये क्या होती है? ये होती है वेन्स। जैसे हमारे इंसानों में नस होती है, वैसे लीव्स में भी वेन्स होती हैं। ठीक है? एंड अंडर द लीफ ब्लेड वी कैन सी स्मॉल अंडर द लीव्स ब्लेड, ये जो लीफ ब्लेड है, इसके अंदर के भाग में स्मॉल 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 ऐसी क्रॉस में छोटी बड़ी चीजें होती हैं। उसका नाम क्या होता है? उसका नाम है स्टोमेटा। व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दैट? दैट इज स्टोमेटा। एंड प्लांट ऑलवेज ब्रीथ। वी ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आर ब्रीथिंग थ्रू आवर नोज एंड वी ऑल आर यूजिंग नेस्टल्स। वी हैव 2 नेस्टल्स एज लाइक द लीफ हेल्प्स टू प्लांट टू ब्रीथ। पेड़ को सांस लेने में ये लीव्स हेल्प करती हैं, और लीव्स के अंदर ये जो छोटे छोटे से स्टोमेटाज होते हैं, ये जो छोटी छोटी सी झाई जैसी आपको दिख रही हैं, इसका नाम स्टोमेटा होता है। ये स्टोमेटा हेल्प करता है ब्रीथ करने में प्लांट को। ठीक है? एंड द लीफ ब्लेड इज कवर्ड विद द थिन ट्यूब्स। ये जो लीफ की जो ब्लेड्स होती हैं, ये वाले जो एज हैं, इनकी जो ब्लेड्स होती हैं, वे किससे कवर होती हैं? स्मॉल स्मॉल वेन से। ये जो वाइट जो लाइंस दिख रही हैं, इनको वेन्स बोलते हैं, नसें। We human beings have also green, right? And this veins helps to what? These white veins helps to transporting. Transport का क्या मतलब होता है? Transport means conveyance, साधन, है ना? Means of transports के अंतर्गत हम पढ़ेंगे कन्वेंस करना, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह भेजना, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे भेजना। When we will buy the refrigerator or washing machine, so we have to go to shop. हम दुकान पर जाते हैं, वहां से हम क्या करते हैं? वहां से हम एक ऑटो करते हैं बड़ा सा, और उस ऑटो के अंदर जो भी फ्रिज, वॉशिंग मशीन हमने खरीदी होती है उसको रखते हैं। तो वो क्या हुआ? वो ट्रांसपोर्टिंग हो गया ना, दुकान से घर तक लाने का साधन। ऐसे ही प्लांट्स में, लीव्स में, these white veins are the transporting the water and the food. ये जो white veins हैं, ये खाना और पानी पूरे पेड़ में पहुंचाने का काम करती हैं। And leaves also have the chlorophyll, and all kinds of leaf have the green substance. That is, name of that substance is chlorophyll. और इस chlorophyll की वजह से ही पत्तियों का रंग ग्रीन होता है और ये ब्रांच से जुड़ी होती हैं। जब लीव्स के अंदर क्लोरोफिल खत्म होने लगता है, तब इनकी पत्तियां पीली पड़ने लगती हैं और वो अपने आप पेड़ से, झाड़ से, प्लांट से टूटकर नीचे गिर जाती हैं। समझ में आई आपको बात कि ये क्लोरोफिल होता है? इस क्लोरोफिल की वजह से ही पत्तियों का रंग, लीव्स का रंग ग्रीन होता है। और जैसे जैसे ये क्लोरोफिल इन लीव्स में खत्म होता है, पत्तियों का रंग पीला होता है और एक समय ऐसा आता है कि इन पत्तियों में से पूरा क्लोरोफिल खत्म हो जाता है और पत्तियां अपने आप टूटकर नीचे गिर जाती हैं। This time I used lots of Hindi because this is very new for you. This learning about the leaves is very new for you. That's why I used lots of Hindi to make you understand in a better way. Right? But it does not mean that every time I will use lots of Hindi to make you learn something new and different. No. You have to understand in English only because you all are the students of English medium school. Improve your habit to make the concept learn in the English only. Right? Then we okay. Now move on. And functions of leaves. Leaves always helps to the plant breathe through the stomata. Leaves always helps to the plant to breathe through the stomata. S-T-O-M-A-T-O. Sorry, M-A-T-A. Stomata. Right? These prepare food for the plant which helps, and these stomata make the food for the plant. ये जो स्टोमेटा होता है ना बेटा, स्टोमेटा इन सारी चीजों air, water, sunlight, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll, all these things will helps to make the food for plant. Okay, so I am hoping that you all are understanding whatever I want to convey you today. And but if you can't understand, don't worry, we will once again I will take this part and we will finish the chapter as soon as possible. Right? So before leaving the class, I am giving you a small work. You have to draw the different parts of the leaves, and you have to write their names also. I am giving you a small work. That is your homework. Draw the pictures of different kinds of leaves and write the names of the part which a leaf always have. This is your homework. आपको अलग अलग तरह की लीव्स की पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ करनी है. जैसे we human beings are not looking as like anybody, है ना. Everybody's face, everybody's body structures are very different. As like human beings, all plants have different varieties. Plants have different varieties, and all plants have different size and shapes leaves. Every plant carries the different kinds of leaf, the different kinds of shape. So you have to draw the pictures, maximum numbers of the leaves pictures you have to draw, and you have to write the names of their parts. The names of their parts like stalk, midrib, leaf plate and stomata and vents. These are the parts of the plants. You have to write their names, and you have to draw the different pictures of the different leaves and fill the color accordingly. Right? So till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you all. But before the leaving class, I want to announce the 3 students name: Atharva Sukesh, Sharvil Dindorkar and Kavish Prajapat. Nowadays only these three students, they are sending me the replies. Whatever work I am giving them, whatever work I am giving in class 3, only these 3 students are giving me replies. I don't know why all the students are not giving the reply. Are they attending the class or not? I don't know. But this time these 3 only, they are giving the replies. So a big round of applause for these 3 students, Atharv, Sharvil and Kavish. Very good, all the best. So bye bye, have a nice day and do your work on time as like them. Have a nice day, bye.